Houseplants are known to provide fresh air throughout your home, and many plants can effectively eliminate harmful pollutants from the indoor air. Here are our top 5 houseplants that improve the air quality in your home. Starting at number 5 is English ivy. Often planted in a hanging basket, it removes benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air and can also prevent airborne mold from infiltrating your home. At number 4 is Dracaena. It's another resilient plant that's perfect for beginners. Along with its variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, it's also a great way to eliminate dangerous air pollutants. These plants are easy to care for. Simply keep the soil damp and place them in indirect sunlight. Number 3 is Chrysanthemums or mums. These flowers are a fall favorite, and they purify a home's air quality by eliminating xylene, ammonia, and other detrimental pollutants. However, they only purify while in bloom for about 6 weeks. Number 2 is devil's ivy. Don't let the name fool you. It's a very low-maintenance plant which is amazing at purifying the air. It's a helpful plant that eliminates many dangerous pollutants, including toluene, carbon monoxide, and formaldehyde. And at number 1, we have the rubber plant. The name suggests it's artificial and fake, but these plants come from India and have unique roots that tangle around their trunk. They're a great plant for eliminating all kinds of harmful pollutants. Houseplants are the perfect way to decorate and brighten up your home while also filtering the air around you. For more information on the innovations that are shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com or check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages.